How to take a screenshot of snaps on Snapchat without the other person knowing. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel App Guide. In today's video, I'll show you how you can take screenshots of snaps on Snapchat without notification. So make sure to watch the video till the end. Now, if you want to take a screenshot of a snap sent to you, it is going to notify the other person that you've taken a screenshot. But let's say you want to do that without the notification. Well, the trick is very simple, but it's going to be a lengthy video, so you want to make sure to stick with me till the end. First of all, make sure you're connected to the internet. Open up Snapchat, come to your chat page, and make sure the snaps has been loaded first of all. So you just want to come to chat page and leave it at that. Now after you come to the chat page, just turn off your internet connection. Just block any of the connections from internet. Turn on flight mode, do whatever thing you can, but just make sure to disconnect your phone from internet and so on. Now once you turn on flight mode and so on, just go ahead and open the snap that you would like to take a screenshot of. So in this case, let's say I want to take a screenshot of this one. Now I'll just go ahead and take a simple screenshot. So basically, once I've taken a screenshot over here, as you could clearly see, we're going to simply quickly exit out of Snapchat. We're going to throw it out over here. Now we're going to open up the settings application, and we're going to go to the option called apps. And on apps, if you're on Android, just look for Snapchat. Now if you're on iOS, you can just try to offload and then reinstall the application, but for Android users, open Snapchat. Now go to storage and clear cache and then clear data. Now once you clear cache and data, you can see that we've taken a screenshot of the snap. But now when we actually turn on our Wi-Fi, so let me turn on my Wi-Fi, let me turn off my flight mode, and then if I go ahead and then open up Snapchat, you want to make sure to log into your account now. And when you log in, it is not going to let the other person know that you've actually taken a screenshot. And that's all it takes to actually take a screenshot on Snapchat without the other person knowing. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. If you've got any more questions, then feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching, and see you soon in our next video.